In the bustling world we live in, finding inner peace and strength can seem like an elusive quest. However, the book of Galatians offers a profound insight into the fruits of the Spirit that can empower individuals to lead a more fulfilling and purposeful life. Galatians 5 verses 22 to 23 unveils a list of virtues known as the fruits of the Spirit, each possessing its own unique power to transform lives. Let us delve deeper into these powerful fruits and understand how they can illuminate our paths towards spiritual strength. Unlocking the essence, Galatians 5:22-23's powerful fruits. Love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control. These 9 fruits of the Spirit are like jewels, waiting to be discovered within the depths of our souls. Each fruit holds immense power, capable of enriching our lives and fostering a deep sense of spiritual strength. Love, the foundation of all virtues, binds us together, creating harmony and unity in our relationships. Joy, the spark that ignites our souls, brings happiness and contentment amidst life's challenges. Peace, a tranquil oasis in the midst of chaos, provides a serene refuge for our weary hearts. Patience, like a gentle breeze, helps us endure trials with grace and fortitude. Kindness, a beacon of light in a world filled with darkness, inspires us to extend compassion and generosity towards others. Goodness, a reflection of moral excellence, guides our actions towards righteousness and justice. Faithfulness, an unwavering commitment, strengthens our trust in God and in one another. Gentleness, a soothing balm, softens our interactions, fostering understanding and empathy. And finally, self-control, a powerful force within, enables us to master our desires and make wise choices. Galatians 5 verses 22 to 23, a revelation of spiritual strength. Galatians 5 verses 22 to 23 unravels the true essence of spiritual strength, offering a roadmap for a life lived in alignment with God's will. These fruits, when nurtured and cultivated, allow us to tap into an inner strength that surpasses our human limitations. They empower us to rise above adversity, embrace compassion, and become beacons of hope in a world often clouded by darkness. By embodying the fruits of the Spirit, we not only strengthen our connection with God but also inspire and uplift those around us. Through love, we can heal broken hearts. Through joy, we can bring laughter to the downtrodden. Through peace, we can calm troubled minds. Through patience, we can mend relationships. Through kindness, we can change lives. Through goodness, we can transform communities. Through faithfulness, we can build trust. Through gentleness, we can mend wounds. And through self-control, we can find the strength to overcome our own weaknesses. Embracing the fruits of the Spirit. The fruits of the Spirit are not mere virtues to be admired from afar, but rather seeds that need to be sown and cultivated in our hearts. As we allow these fruits to take root within us, they blossom into a powerful force that radiates love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control. They equip us with the strength to navigate life's challenges and make a positive impact on the world around us. Let us embrace the fruits of the Spirit and allow their transformative power to shape our lives. Through their cultivation, we can uncover the true essence of spiritual strength and become catalysts for a more loving, compassionate, and harmonious world.